Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Haka jingi kendo bat kinong patai kubur haka katsam terek mutabana jileo arajar arpau. Kawai nek seng san partai haka ni kecila Meghalaya, kebadan ru haka liang sensar, kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party. Kalau orang bandar kalian ni keseng kan saajing mod ya kesorkar Meghalaya, bahkan kot ya kerana ya kekenhun kiang atiar jongkan ni karilum kasih jantia. Kata kah New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC. Presiden jongka BJP Meghalaya State Unit ubah Ernest Maury. Ulaong bakaseng BJP kapediang sobhaya kejing terwa jongka seng HNLC. Banwan sekamit jongka jingya krenisong. Bat kanyara pru ban penyekendo yo menteri jongka sorkar pedeng ubah kami ya ketnat ki kampun roiri. Uniu Presiden jongka seng BJP Meghalaya ulapan paru bakaseng BJP kakwa baka sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kan kot ya kerana kamkloy ya kaseng HNLC.
We want that our state will prevail with peace. So really we will advise the government to prevail peace in the state. Yes, since it's a past, it is the part of the NDA government. We are a part of the government, so we can do that. We'll take initiative.